The Tech Fixr will show you how to make your Instagram page or profile private. To make your Instagram page or profile private, follow these simple steps. Go ahead and launch the Instagram app and open your profile page. If you're using professional account, you have to convert your professional account to personal account. To do that, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and privacy. Tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on Switch Account Type. Select Switch to Personal Account. Once you switch your account to a personal account, now tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and here you'll find account privacy option, so tap on it. And to make your account or page private, enable private account. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.